Got this e-bike, about to adjust the brakes on it. It's got disc brakes, non-hydraulic, just cable brakes. Simple cable pull brakes right here. So, this is a trick some guy showed me at a bike shop. I forgot his name, but he's a good dude, man. He actually was not that much of an expert, but he showed me how to do it. And
thanks for being here, man.
oh yeah, no problem.
Good idea.
Got that. See that? Make your life a whole lot easier doing that. Okay, so surprisingly, this guy's cable is not stretched out, or didn't put his barrel adjusters out. So it's pretty good. Pretty good. So what's happening here is I gotta bring in that pad more. It's a pretty new bike, and yeah, get my 5mm. My 5mm. So what I'm gonna do is I gotta break these bolts loose. So you got a 5mm hex key, and okay. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this brake pad in right here. That one. So that way he wants it real tight. So you know, it's a personal preference. Some people want their brakes tight, like really, you know, barely hit the lever, and you know, it brake. It just depends on the person. Me personally, so this is an e-bike. Okay. Sweet, no rubbing. No rubbing at all. No rubbing. No rubbing at all. And I'm looking for my L-shaped hex key, 5mm. L-shaped hex key, 5mm. Okay, so this has a ball end on it. Do not over tighten with the ball end. Use the L-shaped key. You will damage your bolt, Then you gotta run out to the hardware store and you gotta dig around for an hour. And if you don't know what you're doing, the hardware guy probably doesn't know what he's doing either, but you better hope that he does. So I gotta it's crooked. It's crooked bad. So you can't see this because I'm on. But this is not good. And I think it has to do with this. Has to do with the. Sweet. Dude, that is super sweet. That is awesome. So look at that. You see that? Should. It's rubbing out a little bit. I'm gonna loosen this a bit. I don't know if I did. There you go. Yeah. There we go. I'm gonna move this slightly, just a hair, just a hair. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. So, where's my drumstick? Where's my drumstick? Shout out to Nate at REI, the master mechanic over there. He gave me this drumstick, my lucky drumstick. Oh, but I don't know where it's at. It's no bueno. No bueno. My lucky drumstick. Drumstick. I know it's somewhere. Somewhere out here. And I cannot find my drumstick. But it's okay, because I'm gonna show you a little trick. Little trick of the trade. Right there. It's all done.